So I built MailCorgi, which is a Slack bot written in Python for Hack Club's mail team. It uses Supabase to store addresses, club leaders, and other related information. We're using the Community Python API and the Slack Bolt API. So Slack is being used as a front end, where a club leader can request a sticker box or envelope quickly with a slash command, and a shipper can easily request that with reactions. So they can accept the mission, they can buy labels, they can ask for addresses, and everything is Slack contained, which means that you don't need to leave Slack in order to request anything. You can update your address within Slack. You can request stuff within Slack. You can get people to ask for your address within Slack. This is also really streamlined for the shipper, so you don't have to go back and forth and DM people. It's automated. You just react with something, and the bot just DMs your recipient. It's also really fast. If any action like asking the bot to DM, making a request, this takes less than 2 seconds. And our old bot, based on Airtable and Zapier, took over 30 seconds. And we have 10,000 addresses stored, and we're using 10 megabytes, and Supabase gives us 500 on the free plan, which is amazing. And the APIs are also really easy to use and really just streamlines development, which is really, really great, to be honest.